That's a classic Kansas City barbecue sauce. Perfect. Here we are, Olathe, Kansas, at the Olathe Barbecue Festival, where it is all about Kansas City style barbecue ribs. Now we're gonna show you kind of a relatively traditional Kansas City style barbecue sauce, and you could obviously customize it to make it your own. In the pan, I have about a half stick of butter. To that, I'm gonna add 3 whole cloves of garlic. We're gonna take a half an onion that is peeled, and we are going to half that. Also goes in the pot. I have roughly 3 cups of ketchup here, because remember, this is a red sauce that tends to be a little bit sweet. We're gonna put in some yellow mustard, and then equal parts of brown sugar, molasses, and vinegar, about a half cup of each. Brown sugar, molasses, and you could just kind of eye this up. And I'm using cider vinegar in this case. So we want acidity, we want sweetness, and the last thing that we want is we want a little bit of heat. So spices, we have cayenne pepper, we have cracked black pepper, coarse, we have chili powder, and we have a little bit of smoked paprika. And then we just go with a good pinch of salt. Oh, hey, now, play the wind. Good pinch of salt. We stir this all together, and the way that I like to cook it so the sauce gets a touch of smoke on it because we're glazing it, is we are gonna put this in our smoker for about an hour, hour and a half. Let it sit in the smoker on the heat plate. It's gonna simmer, bubble away, then we will pull out the onions and the garlic. The sauce will be ready to go, to glaze, to brush, to do whatever. That's like a classic base level Kansas City barbecue sauce, what we've seen a lot this weekend. But remember, in competition barbecue in Kansas City, they're used to sweet, so it's a little extra sweet. So this would go in the smoker. Here is one that I have done, so you could see that finished product. It's not thick, but it has some consistency to it. When we taste it, perfect. Little bit of bite on the back. We get that sweetness kind of forward, and then it finishes with a touch of acidity. That's really what I think of Kansas City barbecue sauce. This is what I'm looking for. So that, to me, I'm not gonna lie, this is about as perfect as a rib can be.